Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about how to transfer outstanding AP or R balance to system. It can be easy to smooth start up a new system and centralize the work into the system. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. Now, we first go to the AP opening to insert outstanding balance of AP. On the menu page, click the block named Financial, and then click the Account Opening block. Finally, click the Account Payable block to go to the section interface. It is the AP opening interface. It is a simple row-by-row data format to store data. Let's insert a data. Click here to input the order reference number. And then, select date. Select supplier here. The due date. Currency. And the amount of outstanding balance. Now, we can click the Save button here to save the data. The data is saved. Also, you can click the data to edit it if the data is not correct. Okay, let's go to Post It to transfer this balance to the accounting. On the menu page, click the block named Financial, and then click the Posting block. Finally, click the Account Payable Opening block to go to the posting interface. You will find the input data is ready to post. Select it, and then click the Post button to post it. The data is posted. Let's go to the account aging report to check the data is exist or not. On the menu page, click the block named Financial, and then click the aging block. Finally, click the Account Payable block to go to the aging report. It is the aging report interface. Let's search by the supplier. You can see that the data is inserted into the system. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.